Hi guys, welcome to this Excel course. In this video we are gonna take a quick look at the flashfill command within Excel and how you can use it to quickly separate out or fill data in. So in this instance we have a spreadsheet with an example of all American presidents, and what we want to do is we want to say separate out the first name and the last name. I'm just going to insert a couple of columns here. Now, to use the flash fill, what you need to start doing is filling in some data to give the flash fill some information to work with. So we are going to the first cells, fill in some basic information. Now that should probably be enough. So what we do is we select our first value and go down to the end of our list. And up here in the home tab, in the editing group, we click this little drop down on fill, and we can click on flash fill, and what it will do is it will look up, really analyze your worksheet. Look up here, you got your George. I will fill in the rest of the data on this basis, and this instance is taking the first name from this column. You can do the same thing in this row name and the flash fill. Now what you will notice is because in the first few I have literally just taken the first name up to the first space, where there are options which have, for example, a middle name here. So the Henry and K are missing. We can actually fix this. So if you find the first instance where this happened, paste that in. We then select our column and select the flash fill. You will now find that is actually inserted those values. So if we also wanted the width full stop, what we do is we would find an example of one in that format. Oh, James K with the dots. Once again we are gonna come back and select way back, selecting our whole column and selecting flash fill. You will now find that the little full stop bears. So that's for today's video. We got a look in the flash fill commands within Excel. There are plenty of instances, but this might be useful. If you got any particular question, please do let me know, and I look forward to see you in the next video.